Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the 1998 effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects up here, TV, and then 1998. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Let's increase the effect's length. And now with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the filter, mess with the filter, the texture, and everything like that. So now what we can do is we can go to the beginning of the effect. Boom, 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 boom. Bam. And what we can do is add keyframes. So we're going to decrease the texture and the filter, add the keyframe, and then bring the player head to the middle, bring the filter all the way up and the texture all the way up, and then the keyframe adds. So let's take a look what happens when you add keyframes. And there you have the 1998 effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.